Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So for example, you cannot swipe, you cannot open something or whatever. If something's wrong, then you can try to forcefully restart it. And to do that, you have to only press the power button and the volume up button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. We've got this power off or reboot option, but let's pretend that I cannot tap on it. Press both of those buttons and keep pressing. We've got the black screen, which is a good sign, but keep pressing. And now we've got the developer's logo, so I can release the finger and now simply wait until our device will be powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. And actually not, because we've just entered the recovery menu. But no worries, don't panic, everything is alright. If that happens to you, because usually it should simply power on again without any kind of recovery mode. But if it happened to you, just make sure that you're on the reboot, that it is highlighted. You can navigate with power buttons, volume down button and volume up button. So make sure that you're on the reboot and press power button to confirm. And reboot to system, again power button, and now wait. And finally, your device will be powered on and work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.